Just give me 5 minutes and I'm going to help you manifest your next income ceiling. What if it wasn't about affirmations, visualizing, scripting, doing gratitude lists anymore? What if it was actually healing your inner money wounds that are keeping you trapped in your current reality? Right now, your reality is built upon a survival mechanism, something that was built in childhood a very, very long time ago. Essentially, everything that you believed in was from your parents, school, TV shows, movies, cartoons, ancestor lineage. Everything you believed to be true around money, believed true around abundance or alignment, was due to other people. And it created this survival mechanism. The survival mechanism made sure that money, if it wasn't safe for you to have because your parents felt unsafe having it, or your grandparents or your family or your lineage, it made sure that it was built a nervous system that rejected money. So if you ever heard a phrase like, rich people are filthy, why don't those rich people help us out even more? Those people shouldn't have money, they should be giving us money, right? Those kinds of phrases. Money doesn't grow on trees. What happened was the identity is built, created a nervous system that would reject money coming in because it wanted to be loved. I don't want to be that rich person anymore because if I'm that rich person, all the people that I love the most are no longer going to love me, you see? Because if those people don't like rich people and if I become rich, I'm not going to be loved. Now, you're not consciously thinking this. This is a young version of you between the ages of 3, 7, or even 8 years old thinking this, right? Even if you didn't care for your family members or didn't care about your family lineage or you were adopted or something like that, it doesn't matter. A younger version of us always wants to survive. And it thinks, in order to survive, I need to be loved. And if I'm not loved, they're just going to abandon me, you see? So a survival mechanism is controlling all your decisions around money, controlling all your decisions around the opportunities coming in, and that's essentially your core frequency around money that's controlling whether money stays in your world. Because it's not enough to just earn money, it also is, do I have the capacity to keep the money? So survival mechanism, what we can do is we can actually heal. Now, a lot of affirmations, techniques out there for law of attraction manifesting, what it does is it's a Band-Aid fix. It essentially just wraps up the wound with a little Band-Aid. And then every single time you do an affirmation, you have a voice that battles it. I'm really wealthy. And the voice says, no, you're not. You say, I'm living my dreams. That voice says, who are you kidding? Right? And what goes on is this endless loop inside that you have a battle going on. It's like one side of you really wants some good things happening around money, and then another side of you wants no part of it because it's fearful. It's scared that if I have a lot of money, it's not a good thing. But I want to let you know right now, money is incredibly spiritual because money is just an energy form. That's it. It's neither good nor bad. It has no morals. It doesn't care if you're a good person or a bad person. But when you're conscious about your money patterns, what you're doing is you're on a spiritual path. You are helping yourself actually more consciously bring to yourself more expansion, and that's what your soul cares about, expanding more into what nature really is, abundance, right? So when you're in lack, it's a mental wound. When you're in poverty, there's something going on in your spiritual growth that's stagnant. There's something there for you to learn in your karmic lessons. So this is a really good thing. Now, when we start to replace our survival mechanism, what do? We replace it. We don't put a Band-Aid fix. We heal the wounds underneath to become the expansive identity, the one that feels incredible holding a lot of money, the one that feels incredible that money is a fantastic thing. It's just a tool to magnify our presence and who we're here for and what we're serving people for, right? So we start to expand into our identity, and how we do this is through deep healing work. The deep healing work is the mechanism you actually want to do from here on out that will bypass doing affirmations in the first place or visualizing. You actually don't need any of that. That's for integration purposes. When you actually do the money healing, none of that's actually needed. It just helps you actually embody it on the physical plane. Now, I created something brand new, specific and special for you that will help you do this exact thing. It's called the Income Expansion Protocol. It's literally $27. But it's extremely advanced materials that will help you take all these money wounds you have right now and actually put it into an expansive identity permanently. This is not another course. It's not another program. It's something that's a protocol, expansive in this into a new world experience. I promise you and guarantee you it's nothing that you've ever experienced before. These are 12 to 18 minute videos, 7 days in a row. It's a sprint. So you don't also have to have like hours and hours of footage. It's going to go in there and operate on your energy levels around money. Heal those money wounds and then bring you to the next level. Click right now in the description below or in the pinned comment, you'll see the Income Expansion Protocol. Get started right now because the doors are closed depending on when you're watching this video. So make sure if you see that button below, you see that link, click it, get started right away because we don't plan to reopen this later on. And I'll see you at your next money income level.